In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily invite collaborators on Instagram after posting a reel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. And first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Then tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile. And after that, tap Add That Reels tab to show up all the reels that you have already shared. As you can see here, I got 3 reels that are already posted. And then to edit that reels, we need to tap Add a Reel. Then tap at 3 dots. Tap at Manage. And then tap at Edit. That's where we can easily tag someone at the location, and also we can configure some other options on a reel that is already shared. However, basically we cannot invite collaborators on this step. The only way to invite collaborators is just to delete the existing reel and then share this reel again. However, if you would like just to hide some person, you can easily do so in this way. Just search for a person you would like to tag, then select a user. In this way, we can tag several users at once. And then to continue, just hit Add Done and then Done again to apply the changes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.